Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I can't believe how time has flown. Once again, I had more to show for the holidays than time to do it. I had bought these socks from the Dollar Tree. I saw many of you had it. Let me show you what I got out of one sock. I was going to show you a DIY how I got these out of the sock. This is just one sock. I got 3 pairs of tights, 2 stockings, and a sock. Now, these don't match. That's okay, because this is just one sock. When you do the other sock, you have a pair, and a pair, as well as 3 more pairs of stocking or tights. So I hope that I'll find some more socks like that and be able to show you this, because I really wanted to. And on that, Walmart has some Star Wars, usually Grogu, in the women's socks marked on clearance. And I know a lot of you sew for your dolls using socks. It's a great craft. And May the 4th is coming, and Darren and I are hosting a challenge again this year. And it's going to have prizes. Oh, okay. Let's see. I'm going to open the dolls last. These have been, I've been so busy, I haven't even opened the packages coming in. I had Happy Mail sitting here. I've had orders sitting here. Got to get to it all. So today we are filming, and I thought I would do another haul, because I know you guys like to see, oh, look what they did to my box. And that was for a gift. Ah, that's aggravating. Little Santa Claus Lego. Ah, that's aggravating. All right, let's see what else is in here. Here's another one. It is a snowman. These items are from the $1.99 page in the front. It started off as, what do you call it? Black Friday, and continued. I have a continuous itch on my back. And when hair gets on my back, I'm like the princess with the pea. And I got another one of these cute necklaces. I couldn't help myself. I just love it. It's like a bite mark, and then these hang down like blood drops. It's just cute.
That snowman looks like more like, it reminds me of a penguin.
Yeah, kind of does. You're right.
It's kind of squat.
Oh, this is cute. I have been waiting for this to come in. This is for a midi Blythe. Let me pull it out. I think it's what I think it is. It's got little rabbit ears. How cute is that? Kind of small though. And then it's just a little, oh, okay, it goes this way. A little jumper. See their little legs come through here. Oh, that's cute. Oh, maybe it's a teddy bear. I don't know. Those look like, okay, weird ears. Not really rabbit, not really bear. Cute enough though. I bought, 10 pair of these footsies, not to wear, to turn inside out. I have a pattern I want to show you what I've been doing. It's so easy. I drew around my doll. I have a pattern that I pin to the sock, and then I sew to the outside of to make tights with. And I needed more gray. Well, you know, Dolls Gone Goth and Wednesday Addams, and you know, gray was quite the color for a while. Everybody wanted everything gray. I like color, but I love those gray stockings. They go with a lot. Oh, Darren, one of these are your Valentines. We'll open these in a minute. It's a little musical instrument. Oh, and I got a little harmonica. I went to this garage sale one time, and they had a shoebox full. Maybe my sons remember these. They were these little harmonicas on a keychain, and they were, oh, what is the big name in harmonicas?
Hona?
Horn, yep. And, you know, they looked exactly like the bigger ones, and they came in a really nice package. I used to carry it in my, carry one in my pocket, and they made great gifts. Everybody loved them because they were really
I carried one for
fancy. Yeah, I
quite a
did.
long
I
time.
gave you one, didn't I? So when I saw that little necklace, I went ahead and bought it. This is, you know what? I think these were $1.79. They dropped some of their items down. Well, this is bigger. This is bigger. This will fit the BJDs that are 1/6 scale, and I have those. That's a cute little dress. Mustard is not my favorite color, but you're giving me a fancy little dress for $1.79. I'm interested. Oh, good. These are here. These are getting harder to find. They're just little Blythe boots. They have lace that you put in. I love these because I take a permanent marker and I change colors. I've done all sorts of colors, red, blue, green. I like them. They are inexpensive and they are very cute. You know what? There's another doll somewhere because 3 came in unless, oh no, it's in here. 3 dolls came in. Really? They put that, oh, why? And look, it's so smashed. That is just maddening. Are you okay? Are you okay? All right, let's cut this open and take a peek. I hope I'm cutting the right side. This is maddening when I get boxes like this. I mean, these dolls aren't real expensive, but it doesn't matter if it's $1. You want to package stuff so people can get it nice. Okay, I have 3 coming. Ah, she is so cute. I saw this girl. Well, I'm not even sure I want to take her out because of her hair. I think I'm not even going to check her eyes. What do you think?
It's fine. Even if it's broken, we could fix it.
She comes in no box other than this and no faceplate. Maybe I should check her eyes. This doll I bought, her hair is that curly crazy, which I have 2 redheads like that. I love it. I'm working on one now. I'm restyling the hair. I saw this beautiful girl, and I don't know why, but the song Beach Baby from 1970, I think it's 1973, went off in my head. And I thought, you know what a fun collab. I'm going to put her in here so her hair doesn't, you open that hair and it does this. Poof, and it relaxes, so you swear your doll's hair is growing. It is hilarious. But I saw her and I thought, Beach Baby. And I thought, you know what? That would be a really fun collab for June. Well, I mentioned it to Ayla Avar, and she said, yeah. And in the song, it says from July to September. I thought, oh, we're going to do July. So I think it's July. Oh, don't hold me to it. It's the first Friday in July. I think it's the 3rd or the 5th. I can't remember. And then this girl, oh, had to have her, and I've ordered, I don't know, 2 or 3 more since. This is a new face mold that I absolutely think I love, and they have a new body, a new chubby body out, and I got it too. Oh, my, she's so cute. Here's what I want to know. Are they molded? Yes, they are. Isn't she adorable? Oh my, she's so cute. This girl here, I'm not going to do anything to. I've got more coming. I want to do a face up on one. I want to change her up a little bit. But because this is the first face mold, see the eyeliner? How cute that is? And she really has a pretty face. Her lips are pretty. Her cheeks are oh, she's cute. I don't care for the bottom lashes, but I'm leaving them on this girl. I don't know. They look like 5 o'clock shadow to me. They're out too far in both directions, and they're not consistent. I don't like them. But I like everything else about her. Oh gosh, she's so cute. I love the chubby cheeks. So I am not going to put this one, well, to be determined. If there's an issue, I will put her on a Mimi Bolback body, which I have one. But I am planning to put her on a new body I had seen a while back. It's articulated body and chubby. And that should be coming any day. Of course, by the time I get to show this to you, it'll be a while. All right, and this should be a replacement doll. Yep. When I say replacement, I mean my own replacement. I had given one of these as a gift, do a face-up on them, and then give them for gifts. And as soon as I gave it away, Darren said, don't forget to replace her. Because these dolls at this time are not too expensive, and they make really fun gifts. And I love doing face-ups. And we add a microchip to them. Irene, we're going to bring a scanner if you'll bring your dolls back when we meet up again, whatever month that might be, and we'll show you. And I need to get you a letter in case of theft. And if you'll put that microchip doll by your expensive dolls, if they're ever stolen and show up somewhere, you can prove that those dolls are yours. Love these pink-haired girls. It's just so soft and pretty and whimsical. That is my haul for today. As you can see, I have slowed down on buying things, but not to a halt. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Wait a minute. Okay, open this one, Darren. Here, let me come around and hold the camera.
Now, which one do you want me to open?
Probably both. I don't know. Isn't that cute, that little flamingo?
Oh, that's cute. Okay.
What shape is that one?
It's a heart shape.
Okay, that one's mine. You know, because Valentine's Day.
I'm guessing I have to have this.
Play it.
Nope, that doesn't really. I seem to be deadening the sound.
No, that's how they sound. It's just a soft little play it to yourself kind of thing. I love that little flamingo box. And that one's yours. I knew if one of us had one and the other one didn't, the other person would want to mess with it. Sorry about the camera shots. You know I'm not good at this. Pretty cool, aren't they? I don't know why they have a whole... I guess we could hang them somewhere. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.